Welcome to TechRapi, a whole world of technology, gadgets and amazing machines. Let's start. DONN Do-It-Yourself is the channel of a technology and motorcycle enthusiast. He manufactures tools and machines as a hobby for several years. DONN Do-It-Yourself says that, in this world of consumption, he tries to spend as little as possible and create more things while manufacturing them with the reuse of scrap material. All the videos on his channel are incredible homemade creations exploiting his talent in this world of machines. On this occasion, we show you one of his fascinating works. A band sawmill, which is a homemade installation installed exclusively for wood cutting. For this fascinating tool, DONN Do-It-Yourself uses some parts of an old motorcycle. Amazing, right? Here we watch part of the construction process of what would be a car or rail to mount the band for the displacement of the wood cut. This is the construction of the sawmill band. If you are interested in building your own band sawmill, DONN Do-It-Yourself has a series of videos with a step-by-step process of the whole construction. If you like his work, remember to subscribe to his channel to support him. The links are in the description. CORTAG is a manufacturer from Brazil with a wide range of cutting tools for construction. CORTAG opened its way internationally with products like the one shown in the video. BRIC-35, a wall cutter. It is designed to make straight and curved cuts on brick walls, concrete, cement blocks and plaster. It comes with a practical carrying case so you can easily take it to your jobs. With this cutter you can make straight cuts of 1 meter in just 15 seconds. When you use a common wall cutter, it is very easy to spread harmful dust in all the surroundings of the construction or project. With the BRIC-35, this does not happen because it has a hole to discard all that dust by concentrating it in one place. If you are interested in getting this wall cutter, we remind you that the company is located in Brazil, in case you want to place your order. The links are in the description. If you like these tools, like the video, and share it with your friends. TechRapi keeps you up to date with technology.